Hi everyone, my name is Keith Brooks and this is Brooks Channel, and for today's video I'm going to be trying out a new kind of snack, this time an Easter theme one. It's going to be Little Debbie's Easter basket cakes. Got them right here. Yep, found them while I was out doing my grocery shopping earlier this week, and since we're coming up on Easter, I figured these would be a good thing to try out, because I don't recall ever having Easter basket cakes before. They look like a standard chocolate snack cake with white cream in them. And those are some I like a good amount. Now the sprinkles are a nice touch too. So, let's open them up and try them out. A sec. Go. Okay. They come in a pack of 2. Got the little sprinkles, the little green, yellow, and pink ones. Let's open it up and try one out. Alright, cake itself. Standard smell. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It's pretty good. Honestly, it tastes like their standard chocolate cream cupcakes. The ones with little swirls on them. And as a way, it's kind of like one of those, just with a little different shape and sprinkles on top. Definitely not a bad thing, because I really like those. Those ones are my personal favorite Little Debbie snack cakes. Sorry, didn't want to talk with my mouth full. Alright, one more little bite. Take a quick drink here. I'll eat the other one after I'm done with the video. Alright. Yeah, I would say these are pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty much the same as the regular Little Debbie cupcakes with the chocolate white icing and the swirls. Except instead of the swirls, they just have sprinkles. But yeah, they're still good. I probably would get the regular Little Debbie cupcakes instead. But these are good for like Easter time. That's what they're meant for. Yeah, not much else to say about them. But I would definitely get them again and next season. And not much else to say, so I guess I'm just gonna end the video here. And as always, please let me know your thoughts about this one in the comments. Oh, and I forgot to mention at the start of the video, but I'm trying a different positioning, like for the camera, so the glare doesn't come in from the window. Yeah, looked like it was pretty good. Might have still been some from the light bulb up on the ceiling, but not much I can do about that. But let me know what you think about that too, like if you think it's any better. And also, let me know if you have ever tried one of these Easter basket cakes before, or if you consider getting one after this. And if you have, tell me what you think of them. And with that, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.